My name is John Sadd. I work with Man-Made Legends. It's a combination of vintage race cars, hot rods, and custom cars that we build and do for customers, and some restoration work. Trucks right now are pretty popular, you know, and this is a '63 Ford that we're working on, and it's a pretty popular design and a pretty popular truck right now. It's called a unibody, which was kind of a rare. Most of the hot rod guys like them. They look good low, and they look good with patina on them, you know. The hammerhead. With that 90-degree angle on there, we can get up in there tight and still use an impact to get our good, good tight fit and get stuff off. When we're working on some of the old trucks and cars, some of the areas are tight. We can get that thing up in there and we can actually use that impact to get the bolt out. Big benefits is when we do the hot rods, we have our frame rails that are so close and so tight when we're installing a motor and so forth, and it's lightweight. You know, you don't think a tool from with that angle is going to give you that kind of torque to be able to break a nut that's been there for 30 years, but it does, Very seldom now do we have to heat a bolt. We can use that thing, it'll break it right loose. So this compressor from Ingersoll Rand has just given us the capacity to be able to run 4 or 5 air tools. So it speeds up our production in the shop. Definitely consistency, and it cleans itself. In other words, what I mean by vapor, water, vapor and so forth, it cleans itself. We don't have to worry about that. There's no moisture in our air tools or anything like that, but it's consistent. What we do here is a combination of a lot of things. So the tools that we use are used in so many different applications, and so far the Ingersoll Rand tools have fit every need, from working on an old race car up to working on an old pickup truck.